What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a glowing skin remedy using cucumber and other natural yet very effective home remedy to repair your skin. If you're having a flaky skin or a loose skin, if you're having fine lines, this is just going to help you so much to repair all of that, and you're going to be happy with your result, guys. Alright, so if you want to know what comprises of my home remedy for flappy and loose skin, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit that like button below hit the subscribe button below, and also hit the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And please share this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Let's dive into this video. Now the first ingredients we're going to be needing for this is going to be cucumber. The acid also prevents water retention from the skin, so it will help to remove under eye bag. Cucumber also helps to remove wrinkles, burns, dermatitis, and swollen eye. So for this I'm gonna be needing just a little cut of the cucumber, and then I'm gonna be grating it. Now you can also choose to blend your cucumber, okay, but for me I will be grating it. Now I would love to do that in a circular motion, okay. Doing that is just going to help me to give me a lot of juice from the cucumber. I have to blend it, okay, because we're not going to be needing the fiber of this cucumber this time. We just need the juice. That is done. I'm gonna be straining out the juice of the cucumber, okay, so we can have what to work with. And I'm gonna be needing just a little of that, and this which I've gotten is gonna be in. And the next ingredient we're gonna be needing will be honey. Now in this ingredients we're gonna be needing the organic honey, okay, so you have to make sure that your honey is organic so it can work really well for this. It is great for slowing down aging. Honey is a complexion boost. Alright guys, so after that is done, I'm gonna be turning in the organic honey, and if you have organic honey it should be very thick, okay. That's when you know that your honey is organic. And the next ingredient we're going to be needing for this is going to be egg. And in this we're going to be needing the whites of the egg. Egg white contains a lot of nutrients and ingredients that helps to tighten up a loose and sagging skin. It contains astringent property that helps to shrink the pores by tightening up the double chin, double jawline, and also shrink the size of pores. And I also have an egg that I've already broken, and I'm going to be taking in the whites of the egg, okay, because we just need the whites. Alright, that is actually enough. And the last ingredient we're going to be needing will be olive oil. Now olive oil is very essential for the skin and also for the pores, because it leaves the pores tighter, and it also leaves the skin firmer. It contains anti-aging property, which is packed with antioxidants and vitamins. It hydrates the skin by building the skin moisture barrier to prevent loss of moisture. Now for the olive oil, we're going to be taking in 1 teaspoon of that. Okay, and that is great. Now time to stir. I'm gonna be stirring and turning up all of this. Okay, so let's do that. We're going to give this a little time to mix and mix really well. Okay, so you don't have to, you know, have the treatment working in some parts and not working in some parts. If you have an organic honey, that is when this treatment is just gonna work really fine and really great on your skin, and you are just going to be loving all of your results. Okay, because it's now, if you have wrinkles or if you have a sagging skin, you just take this, and this is so freaking friendly. Okay, you just apply that onto your sagging skin, onto your sagging jawline, onto your sagging face, and you are good to go. All right, so this treatment is just gonna be as friendly as you would want it. Now, it's something you can use every day. Okay, after you've applied this, you have to give it a little massage, because obviously you need this to lift up your face. Okay, so it's gonna do a great job by lifting up your skin, tighten up your skin, and it's also going to help to firm up your skin. Okay, so you're going to leave it there for it to dry. Now, the essence of this drying is so it could remove every wrinkles and fine lines, and it will also help to lift up your sagging jawline or sagging chin. And this is actually very friendly though, and it smells like heaven. It smells really nice. It doesn't have the smell of the egg too much, okay, because of the olive oil. Alright guys, so for this you can actually store it in your refrigerator for a couple of days, and then it's something that you can use every day. If you have a sagging breast, you can actually use this also, and it's gonna be very helpful. Like guys, consistency is the key to a natural ingredient, guys. So you have consistent and apply this, give it time, and you're good to go. So that's it guys. Using this treatment, you know, at the speculated time that I've told you 3 times in a week, it's just going to be very friendly and very helpful, and it's actually very mild and very wonderful. Okay, so it's just going to help you so much. You can go try this out. It's very good. Okay, alright, so if you did love the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button also, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and please share this video and also hit the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless, and bye guys.